Hello, dears, and welcome back to the greatest, most touristic town in Costa Blanca in Spain, Benidorm town. It's nighttime already. It's after 9:30 p.m., so practically it's night in Benidorm town. And we are here on the second half of the Levante Beach, right next to the old town, the loveliest and popular old town in Benidorm, to have a little walk down the Levante Beach because today it's the busiest we've seen it in a really long time. Now we get why everyone are saying that Benidorm is having its best summer. All the promenade is really busy. The bars and terraces are full. This is when we can see that it's actually a peak season in Spain for the holidays. There are some lovely restaurants, bars, and cafeterias out here. This one here is called Moo, like what the cow does. And this is an Argentinian rib eye, for example, grilled sausages. They have barbecue pork ribs. They have a lot of different meats from like a cow meat, which is why it's called like this. And it's actually very, very nice. Right above it, there is a lovely hotel situated here nearby. Restaurant and fried plates, fried fish and fried seafood thing as well. Oh, special seafood offer, 60 euros. That's for about 3 people, so it's kind of all right. Shrimps with garlic, 16 euros a plate. I mean, these are prices that are kind of towards restaurant quality already, and it's not the cheapest thing that you can get. However, it's not too expensive either. Anchovies, carpaccio, baked rices, fish out here. That's kind of all right. They don't put prices here though, but the offer is actually very nice. A lot of these restaurants are opening at night because up until late night, like 11, 12, maybe even more, after the last customer will depart, simply because it's when people are heading out for a dinner time. Even cafeterias, like restaurants slash cafeteria slash pizzeria. This is Spazio. By the way, they've moved slightly towards the right side and now they have a bigger space because before it was quite small. Look at the terrace. Oh my goodness, it's actually the busiest we've seen it in a while. Here on the left side, you have a restaurant. There is a part of Magic Costa Blanca Hotels group, and many clients and customers that do stay in Magic Costa Blanca Hotels, they get to have a meal out here on the front line of the Levante Beach, which is absolutely great. All the shops are still open as well. Shops are closing around 10-ish. And look at these brand new neon lights. These are the new ones. These are, you can see the cables are slightly different and the lamps are slightly different, but these ones are already on. This is the finished product. This is how it's looking like. So let us know if you love it, if you like it, if you hate it. What's your opinion about the brand new light system here in Benidorm town? Because these ones are fully connected and fully working already. I personally don't hate them. It's a slightly more modern design and it's quite nice. Oh, they've put already the letters. Oh my goodness. This is the Barcelo Benidorm Beach, I think it was called, the hotel. Look at that. Some people already were willing to book it. Let's hope that we'll be the first ones to make an official tour out here. We usually are in a lot of other hotels. So wish us luck. This will be in October, probably October-ish, because they still have a lot to do, but this is going to be the official entrance. This is spectacular. Barcelo Hotel here on the Levante Beach on the front line with gorgeous sea views, incredible design, will be opening up in autumn, just in a few months from now. Wow. You can already, by the way, pre-book the rooms. They don't have a lot of pictures on the website, surprisingly, even like project pictures, but even so, they have all the prices, they have all the booking system available for this hotel, so you can pre-book it in advance. Nabab cafeteria is spreading and spreading. It's kind of getting bigger. probably because they've put the terraces on this corner as well, like the tables on this corner, which is quite strange because before it was kind of people are waving. Before it was hi. Before it was kind of smaller, but right now it's just it looks kind of big, maybe because they took all the crystal, like all the glass from the terrace and opened up towards the exterior. Not too sure, but looking very, very nice. Look at this. This is where the city center connects with the old town, and wow, there are quite a lot of people out here. Look at this. All the so many tables, so many terraces. Everything is full. I mean, I'm surprised because some of the days, even like last couple of weeks, it was looking busy, but it wasn't that busy as it is right now. Wow. And today we're lucky, the humidity is not as severe as it previously was. So at night time, it's really nice outside. It's pleasant weather. It's pleasant temperatures to stay out, and there's like a tiniest breeze, but it's great. It's great to stay out, and which is why probably way more people are here right now, because on the days when there's a lot of humidity, it's quite empty on the streets because all people are either in the sea at night when it was 41 degrees officially, or are sitting down on the terraces with air conditioning or in the hotels. Some ice cream shop here as well, quite popular ice creams, Sirvent. They also have some like typical desserts. Here it's not too popular, but you can find places where they do authentic, very nice desserts with ice cream. For example, ice cream with fruit, with whipped cream, with some waffles inside, or with different types of syrups and toppings, like in a big glass, like in a big bowl for ice cream. And children especially love it. So there are also options with it like this here in Benidorm. Right next to Burger King, here on the left side, is where we filmed our latest tapas video from Benidorm town. Great affordable tapas prices out here, and the quality is absolutely amazing. So if you are planning to visit tapas area in Benidorm town, you don't need to spend a huge fortune, trust me. Check out our tapas tours videos. We have even a marathon, a playlist for all the tapas videos that we've did, which are about like 6 or 7. And you can check the places out there. You can see all the prices that we've been paying and the actual quality of a lot of these dishes. Tiki Town Benidorm Beach Club is also available. Usually in summer, they always have a DJ, which you can see right there. The DJ is on the outside, but the music can be heard both on the terrace and on the inside, which is where they have a dance floor of a kind. It's not too big because it's like a lounge beach pub. There's a nice atmosphere, some drinks, but not a lot of people are actually dancing at the dance floor as it is. Still, great place to be. They also have pizzas out here. Very, very nice quality pizzas. Not too expensive either. And next to the Tiki Town, we're heading already towards the night pubs area. You will see it shortly, and this is where they all kind of begin. This here is just a cafeteria slash restaurant. It's called Manila. Very nice, authentic Spanish restaurant. A lot of locals actually also come here, but they do have international meals. But if you want to try some nice Spanish food, this might be the place where you could potentially go as well. Some more late evening slash nighttime pubs. They all have dance floors inside of them. This is the Guinness bar. Here we have a huge selection of different types of beers. So if you are a beer fan, this might be the place where you would be willing to go. And then this place right here. This is the Ku. This is KU Beach Place. KU Lounge it's called, which is more like of a nightclub. Inside there is a big dance floor. They do offer some live shows as well, but it's also like a night pub where you can dance, grab some cocktails, or if you want, just sit down on the terrace. Nearby, some supermarkets. Oh, there's a new place. Pinza di Roma. Okay, that's a new place. That's nice. It's like Italian type of place. Huh. Brand new one. Oh, the design is nice actually. That's interesting. That's quite interesting. We can check it in the latest brand new businesses here on the channel. We will let you know slightly more about this place. The Moon Beach Terrace as well, really popular. They have offer for several drinks for sex on the beach, for tequila, for different types of drinks. And however, the terrace is not as crowded as we expect it to be. That's interesting. Urban Beach bar slash it's called a gastro bar because it does have drinks apart from different meals and snacks. Quite popular place. Before it was a nightclub, but then they've changed it to a whole day open place to eat and have some drinks. And this is the Mecca. This is a history of Benidorm. This is KM Beach and Penelope nightclub. This has been here forever. They've been going from generation to generation, and now the children, the grandchildren are owning these places right here. And these are very, very popular and have been popular for decades here in Benidorm town. In the evening, obviously, it's going to be way more crowded at nighttime, especially. There's going to be a lot of people here inside. Usually, they even put some security that is there already. They've put some people outside to make sure that everything's fine, that no one is bringing like any kind of not safe objects, no sharp objects out there, that everything is great and there's no fights, no issues at all. Nice bars, nice terraces, everything is looking just perfect, how we remember in the good old days in Benidorm town, Costa Blanca. The Heartbreak Bar is also here. They do offer some shows, but mostly it's quite loud music with some cocktail selection, beers, bucket selection, especially for bigger groups, and just a great place to enjoy for those who love this type of music and atmosphere. Pinocchio Lounge and Bar and a pizza place and ice cream place all in one. They have doubled its space absolutely. The first part is more a cafeteria for some drinks, some slushies, smoothies, ice creams, Italian handmade like traditional ice cream. And the second part of it that is slightly separated, this is a pizza and a restaurant place. Very, very highly rated, by the way. A lot of people enjoy it. If you've been to some of these places already and you have something to say, something to share, please do so, because sharing is living, as we always say here on the channel, and your review, your opinion might be extremely useful for other travelers who will be coming to Benidorm shortly and are looking on to visiting these type of businesses. So don't be shy, share your experience here on the channel. Apart from that, we have quite, oh, okay, there's potato. Oh, they're still here. Oh my goodness. It's so annoying. Like, the potato men are still here. Like, I don't get it. People always say there's way much more police, you know. The Benidorm even published a brand new campaign that alerts tourists about it, you know. People, it's everywhere in the city center, like billboards and stuff. However, there are still people who are out there. I suspect that these are like their friends. They always have a lot of people from their own group that are kind of acting like they are playing this game to attract other tourists. But I would just really hope that no one would play that game, so like this, they would potentially disappear and go to any other place and do not bother people here in Benidorm finally. Let's hope sometime in the future this will be the case. Ooh, the inside. The inside is looking quite neon, shiny. There's people on the entrance controlling the entrance. That's interesting. I've not seen it here previously when it was like Costa Blanca Hotel, you know, from Meliá, but right now there's people controlling the entrance. That's actually not a bad idea. A lot of people, a lot of families, even with smaller children, are enjoying a lovely walk down the most popular, probably, Benidorm's promenade. There probably will be people also in the old town by the port, Benidorm, and the Poniente Beach, because it's where we have the summer markets. If you did not see this video where we've showed you some summer markets here in Benidorm right now for your holidays, check these out. You will see the link right here down below the video in the first comment. If you are willing to explore Benidorm area, have some lovely walks around the town, and in general, if you're planning to walk a lot, our best advice for you guys would be to do it either first thing in the morning or in the evening slash nighttime. You won't be alone, don't worry about it. As you can see, there's quite a lot of people on the streets. Just make sure your belongings are safe. If you just go for a walk and you don't plan on buying anything, then don't bring any kind of money with you. You might just bring a card or like a pay method on your mobile phone, like contactless payment. You can do that if you wish, because a lot of places accept card payments out here, so that your belongings would be safe. Bring some comfy footwear and avoid midday and extreme weather on when the sun is shining, because that's when some people get into trouble because of the high temperatures out here. And this is the Hotel Simbel, 4 stars, lovely hotel. They've put an entertainment stage out here. It's actually quite nice, some colorful place. A lot of people are watching the entertainment directly from the beach line. That's interesting. And if you want to see how the Hotel Simbel also looks like from the inside, they have spectacular rooms with the pool view, which are these ones right here, the first ones. And it's actually quite nice. This is how Benidorm is looking like. Benidorm's Levante Beach is looking like at night right now in the peak summer season here in Benidorm town, Costa Blanca, and Spain. We wish you an amazing holiday if you are coming on one shortly, and we'll see each other in a new video tomorrow here on the channel.